Online distribution of video and other content over communications networks has emerged as a superior means of moving information because of superior economics, but it requires an increasing amount of bandwidth. When you go online to send and receive email for 1 hour, you are using approximately 7 megabits of bandwidth, as shown on the bar graph on the right of the screen. When you make phone calls, you are using up to 32 times more bandwidth than emails. Phone calls require approximately 230 megabits per hour. If you listen to music online, you are using 416 megabits per hour of network capacity, twice the rate of a phone call and 64 times the rate for email. When you watch cable or satellite television in standard definition bandwidth, demand jumps to 9,000 megabits per hour. But if you watch that same television program in high definition or HD, the bandwidth requirement more than triples to approximately 29,000 megabits per hour, 4,000 times the average bandwidth usage of a 1-hour email session. The bandwidth requirement increases even more with 4K wide transmission. If all the television programming watched in one day in the US was streamed over the internet in HD, it would require about 70 times more bandwidth than the entire US internet uses today. We believe there is consensus forming among industry observers and analysts that the market is moving to high definition as more and more consumers experience the superior quality of sports and other programming in HD, and, more recently, from HD to 4K. And as the market moves to 4K, we believe that this will have very real implications for bandwidth demand. Due to the growth of smart devices, cloud computing, internet distribution of 4K videos and the like, network demand is continuing to grow rapidly. While 100G optical networks are expanding, developments for the practical realization of 400G and 1 Tera and other next-generation optical networks are underway. And as smart handheld devices, cloud computing and the internet finds its way into an increasing number of industrial applications like automation, etc., we will see an even faster increase in the demand within the industry for more bandwidth and consequently for fiber optic solutions.